What you doing? What you doing? Hey guys, how's it going? What's up? What's new? Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a 3-month baby update and 3-month postpartum update. Moi and baby. Roch is over here looking at me like I am completely nuts. Is that the camera? He just woke up from a nap right now, so he's a little bit, don't know what's going on. As well, I got a package in the mail today. Yay! We should actually go do that first. Yeah, let's go do that. Hi, Ginger. Ginger. Hello. You're just going to ignore me. Oh, belly rubs. That's what you'd wanted. Hello, Missy on the bed. What do you think you're doing there? She's like, I don't give a crap. I'm gonna do whatever I want. Pretty much what she always does anyways. Oh. Hopefully baby will let me get through this video really quickly. I always try to do these videos when he's sleeping, but yeah. So I got a package in the mail. I'm very excited about this because I have been wanting this now for a couple weeks. I don't know if you guys have watched my, I think it's my 37th week update. I had gotten a baby monitor that I love it. Don't get me wrong. It is like the best. I'm having anxiety issues now with making sure that he is okay, and I got myself a baby monitor video style. My boyfriend is not completely okay with it, but for my sanity I needed to get it because I was honestly going in there constantly to check to see if he's been breathing, just to make sure that he's okay, all that jazz. I know it's probably part of the like postpartum anxiety issues, which I am actually having right now. So for my sanity, I got one from eBay because it's way cheaper to get stuff on eBay. Excited about this? Mama can spy on you now all the time. Don't know what this is. Okay, so I'm gonna take it that Customs opened it because this is packaging that's supposed to be around it, so yeah, would you look at that? Yep, they definitely opened this up. I am a little bit choked about that. Like, what the hell? You couldn't even rewrap it properly? Oh my lord. This camera better not be wrecked or I'm going to be PO'd. I'm a little annoyed. Yeah, right, Roch. I got the Nanit Pro. This is the latest edition one that they have out. I do believe they have the Nanit Plus, and then the Nanit Pro. So apparently the Nanit Pro has a whole bunch of new updates and better camera quality. This is just the box it comes in. It says hello and good night, bonjour et bonne nuit. I'm not even going to try that last one. I think hola y buenos noches. Oh, it's Spanish. And this is what it looks like inside the box when you open it. It is this little camera, which it looks like it's intact, so that's good. It's supposed to be like thinner than the last one. And I got the wall mount one. I did want to get the floor stand because I don't really want to wreck our walls, especially when we're renting, but this whole entire place has wrecked walls already and we're here for another year, so why not? But it comes with a breathing band, which I am really excited about. I'm pulling, it's not opening, what the hell? Or maybe you just pull it to take it out of the box. It's a band that goes around their belly so that you can track their breathing. Monitoring kit and adapter. A little curving for the wall mount, for the cord should I say. The wall mount, which is this little sucker right here. So this is the cable and covers. Oh my god. Cable and oh my goodness. Cable and cable covers there. I'm just gonna read it. I might have to wait till Greg gets home to mount this, but I'm probably gonna try it anyways by myself because I like to be an independent woman. Then I believe it just goes on like this. Ooh, like that. And yeah, just right over top of the crib. I'm excited for this. I've already downloaded the app. That's how excited I am. That put aside. Anyways, let's do the postpartum update first and then we'll get to baby. Oh, yeah. We're gonna do you in a bit. I only have a couple of things where he has quite a few things because he's had a huge development between 2 and 3 months. So since we're just coming off the camera and I'm talking about anxiety, I have had some postpartum anxiety lately. It has not been fun. It has actually affected my sleeping. That is definitely for sure. I'm definitely having more naps with him during the day, which I should be doing anyways. I've also been crying a lot more lately, which the thought of losing him is like the most scariest thing on the planet. I couldn't imagine my life without him anymore. Like it's It's intense. Postpartum anxiety is no joke. I've had some times where I've also had a little bit of depression, which does come, I heard, eventually at some point, and I think I'm hitting it right now. But I am okay, and he is okay. As long as I know that, then I'm sure this will pass. Just embrace it and take step by step with it. If it gets any worse, I will definitely talk to somebody. Peeing situation with my bladder. Oh, what is it? I was gonna say prostate, but that's not it. Prolapse. There we go. I have a prolapsed bladder. Really sucks. It's when the bladder doesn't go back to where it was and it's stayed low and is leaning against my uterus. So anytime I bend over, sneeze, laugh, or whatever, I am peeing again uncontrollably. And that has not lightened up. You can get physio for it, but I don't have insurance to get physio and it is quite expensive here. I am kind of researching online of what I can do for exercise wise, and I have found some things and I just started doing them. Oh, what's up, boo boo? Oh, he just wants to be held, I think. Oh, yeah, yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. Anyways, like I said, with my bladder, yeah, I can't control it, so I've been having doing some exercises that are hopefully going to help. We'll see how that goes. As well, with my postpartum weight loss journey video, I haven't really been working out, honestly, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I haven't been, just because of my whole bladder issue. Anytime I do like a run or squat or lifting anything over like 8 pounds, I'm peeing. So it's really, really frustrating. So as soon as I get to this bladder situation under control, and hopefully these exercises will work, that I can officially start working out. Are you gonna let me put you down for 2 seconds so I can show the people my belly? Yes, my belly update. It's still pretty bad. I feel like it's gotten worse. I don't know. Wearing these like high compression sweats help. Breastfeeding has gotten a whole lot better in this last month, that is for sure. I can definitely breastfeed him more when he's fussy and can't wait for a bottle. We have still been sticking to doing the bottle feeding during the day and then the breastfeeding at night, and it's definitely worked for both of us. My nipples are not on fire anymore, so that's really nice, except he still keeps pulling galore. Periods. Well, I haven't had one yet. I thought I had one when I was 6 weeks postpartum, but it was kind of like a day thing. It didn't really happen, but I think it's also because I'm on this birth control that maybe you don't get a period with it, or it's because I'm also breastfeeding. I'm not 100% sure because I've never been on this birth control before. But yeah, this one also doesn't affect my milk supply too, which is really nice. But I'm gonna do actually a whole video on breastfeeding and my experience, so keep an eye out for that. Body odor. I don't know if I talked about this in my 2-week postpartum update, but throughout my last trimester of my pregnancy, I started to accumulate BO so badly. Like, there was no deodorant or perfume could mask it. It was getting super bad. So now my body, I think, has regulated and the hormones are starting to leave my body. So I have my odor back, which is thankful because honestly, it's embarrassing when you smell bad. But other than that, that is it. That is it for my 3-month postpartum update. There's nothing much more that I can remember. If there is, I will put it in the description below. Okay, let's do you now, boo. You're so excited. Oh, he is getting big. I am not gonna lie. He has actually an appointment on Thursday for his 3-month update. I guess I could have waited to make this video then, but hey, we're doing it now. I'm thinking that he is probably around the 14-15 pound mark, and I'm gonna say he's probably like 26 or 27 inches long. His hair has definitely gotten a lot lighter in the last month. He is cooing and interacting with us a whole lot more. He has not quite giggled quite yet, just a cooer talker. He had an attitude in his last update, or he started to get one, but it has definitely gotten a whole lot more attitude-y. He's starting to recognize items, has his toys that he likes. This is one, and then he also has like a squeaky rattling duck or jingling duck. That's the one. Loves that one. He's starting to grab my shirt too as well, and he tracks things really well as well. He's a pretty chill baby though, I'm not gonna lie. Like, he's pretty mellow most of the time, especially when he's being held, which brings to my next one. He loves cuddling and being held. A lot of times you have to be walking around for him to be calm because he does get bored very easily. Tummy time has gotten a whole lot better. He used to hate tummy time, but I found a little trick that is, if you feed them first and then do the tummy time, he's a lot happier doing it. He's feeding very, very well as well. He has about 4 to 5 ounce bottles every single time he's up. Sometimes in his awake windows, he has 2 bottles, which is impressive, I'm not gonna lie. His clothes, he's fitting into 3 to 6 months. He started doing that a week ago. You're making mama hot. Okay. Oh my god, you're heavy. His sleeping, yeah, right? He's messing with us, I swear. He has been on an unscheduled schedule. He sleeps whenever he wants and however long he wants. It's a little frustrating. Most of his naps he has is probably about 45 minutes. He goes to bed anywhere between 8 to 10 o'clock. There's been times where we try to put him down around 8:39, which he was doing all the time, and now he is staying up later. I don't understand why. I think it's just because of the traveling, but he's definitely been staying up longer, that is for sure. When he does go down, he sleeps about 4 to 5 hours. Not an all-night sleeper yet. I'm waiting for that day. He was really good before. Like, he was in bed at 8:30 and then he was waking up at 3:30. I don't know why he has gone off that path, but I'm really hoping that he'll eventually go back on it. He only wants mama right now. The last couple days have been a whole lot better. I'm not gonna lie. Greg has been able to hush him down to sleep, but yeah. I think also just because I'm with him all the time that he just recognizes me mostly. We need to get you out more and see your family. Thing too with this whole situation that's going on in the world. You can't really go out and socialize with other people to get him used to other people. His diapers, he is out of stage 1. He just started stage 2. I'm looking at these stage 2 diapers and I'm thinking that he might just be skipping them and going to stage 3. They don't seem that much bigger than the stage 1, which I'm really surprised. So we'll see how that goes because we go to box him. We need to use them. He has a little bit of a reflex issue still. After feeding, we have to keep him up for about 10 minutes so that he can digest properly. No colic issues though. I am very happy about that. I don't know what I would do if he was screaming like crazy all the time. I think my heart would not be able to take it. Like, even when Greg tried to put him to bed a few times, like, he screams at the top of his lungs until I finally take him. When I take him, he quits pretty much. I don't think I could hear that hours on hours, so I'm very blessed and lucky, I guess. Yeah, that he doesn't have colic. His tracking is really well. That's a good development that he is doing. We've done a lot of that. His strength in his neck is getting a whole lot better because of the tummy time. He grabs onto things, but you have to like place it in his hand and then he'll hold it for a little bit. Anyways, that's pretty much about it. He's getting very fussy, so we need to go do some activities and I'm sure that he needs to be fed again. Yeah. Oh yeah, I can hear your tummy grumbling. Oh, and he might be tired. Oh, look at that little sleepy face. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. You know, it also helps us out a lot. As well, if you want to know when I upload, hit that notification bell and it'll let you know. Say bye.